Hello learners, welcome back to the online classes. My name is Ankita and in this lesson we are going to study the concept of customer relationship management under supply chain management and logistics. So while studying this particular concept, we are going to follow these particular points, that is the meaning of customer relationship management, then role and objective of CRM. So, we will be studying the meaning of the term customer relationship management in very simple and basic term language, basically. Okay. Then, what is the role and objective and functions of customer relationship management in any given organization? What are the different approaches that an organization can take? Then, next is what are the benefits and challenges faced by the organization during customer relationship management and the use of technology in CRM. So, use of technology in CRM is mostly related to the practicality of the concept. The first ones, that is the role and objective, different approaches, benefits, and challenges of CRM, are basic theory. It is mostly a theoretical part, right? But this is the practical part, so we're going to focus more on the practical aspect of this concept. And lastly, we will be concluding the lesson with the case study of Amazon. Now you might be wondering, why Amazon, right? Why does Ankita ma'am take Amazon's examples every time? Not like it's my personal favorite or something, or I'm more inclined towards it, but the main reason that I'm taking case study of Amazon because the mission statement of Amazon is to continually raise the bar of customer experience by using the internet and technology to help customer find, discover and buy anything. We aim to be Earth's most customer centric company. So it is Amazon's mission statement to be the Earth's most customer centric company. That is, customer is at the center of the organization. It puts the customer at the top position. That is, in whatever situation, in the most adverse situations, Amazon takes care that customers' experience should be the top priority. So, therefore, we are taking Amazon as the case study for this particular concept. Alright, then, so this was the introduction part for the concept of customer relationship management. Sounds interesting, right? So, let us move to understand meaning and definition of customer relationship management. So we'll be referring to customer relationship management as CRM for the entire video, all right? So CRM can be defined as an organizational approach that seeks to understand and influence customer behavior through meaningful communications in order to improve customer acquisition, secondly, retention, thirdly, loyalty, and lastly, profitability. So, CRM is nothing but an approach that seeks to understand and influence customer behavior through meaningful communications. Meaningful communications, how we will be seeing that in the further lesson, in order to improve customer acquisition, retention, loyalty, and profitability. So you can see these are basically the highlighted one. These are the basic objectives of the customer relationship management. That is, students, please take note how it is prioritized. First, priority is given to customer acquisition. First, acquire the customers. Then, make sure that you retain the customers. ensure that the customers are loyal towards the organization, or not organization but towards the product or that the organization is providing. And lastly, it tries to improve the profitability. So this is the definition, rather the scope of the CRM. Correct? I hope this is clear. It refers to the principles, practices, and guidelines that an organization follows when interacting with its customers. From the organization's point of view, the entire relationship encompasses direct interactions with customers, such as sales and service related processes, forecasting, and the analysis of customer trends and behaviors. So basically, CRM helps in connecting the organizations with their customers. So now the question arises, the obvious question that arises in your mind is, why is it so important for the organization to, to maintain such relations with the customers, right? So the first answer that will come to your mind is that customers help generate revenue, right? If there are no customers, the sales will go down. So that's just one reason to maintain good relations with the customers. Another reasons are like forecasting and analysis of customer trends and behaviors. For example, an enterprise manufacturing different lines of garments and accessories, perhaps a basic everyday fashion range, everyday customers would wish for lower prices along with reasonable availability. So just think from the customer's point of view, that what are the basic expectations from of the customers from a basic everyday fashion range, that is uh, daily for your simple understanding, take daily wear apparels. What are your basic expectations? First is that it should be available at lower price with, of course, good quality, and it should be um, reasonable availability, right? That is, it should not go out of stock quickly. So these are the basic expectations of the customer. So by the use of customer relationship management, you know what are the expectations of the customers, you know the target audience, you know what the target audience needs. So you know that your target audience needs um, products which are at lower price, easily available, and reasonable quality. That is basically, even from customers point of view, even if you use that apparel or clothes for 6 months, paisa vasool ho gaya, throw it away, buy new everyday clothes. So that is the basic mentality. So recognizing and understanding this mentality, ये mentality को पहचानना is one of the objective of customer relationship management, one of the aspect or one of the dimension of customer relationship management. So basically, knowing your customer by forecasting and analysis of customer trends and behaviors, understanding their mentality, and changing fashions in lines of garments and accessories is just like and getting to know one drop in the ocean when you're studying customer relationship management. Ultimately, customer relationship management serves to enhance the customer's overall experience. That is the basic. Enhancing customers' overall experience. So, when you're studying or understanding the concept of customer relationship management, always keep one thing in mind, that is enhancing customers' overall experience. The entire customer relationship management revolves around enhancing the customer's overall experience with the organization's products or services. So yes, that is the meaning of customer relationship management. So we'll just quickly go through the objectives and role of CRM. I'll just quickly read it for you once because I think अभी तक थोड़ा बहुत picture clear हुआ होगा आपके दिमाग में that what is customer relationship management, right? So first is it aids in understanding customers' needs and develop products and services to meet their requirements. Like I gave you the example of everyday clothes, right? Then collect valuable data to show which group of customers want which kind of service. डेटा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है बाबू. अब तक आपको समझ में आ गया होगा, राइट? सो कलेक्टिंग दिस डेटा, व्हाई? फॉर research and development and to show which group of customers want what kind of service or products. Now, why is data important? Because when you know what customers actually want, you can put all the task force to convert the potential buyer into the customer, right? So therefore, data बहुत important चीज है बाबू. Then next is it helps in building long-term relationships with customers and predict future customer behavior. So yes, students, this is the meaning of the customer relationship management. I hope you've understood and find this interesting because I personally found this concept really interesting. So make sure you join for further lessons. We will be studying customer relationship management systems, then components of CRM, that is, we'll be studying what is marketing automation, Salesforce automation, contact center automation in very much detail with very interesting examples. Okay, so make sure you watch those lessons also. I actually wanted to complete the entire concept, entire 10 to 15 slide in 15 to 20 minutes video, but already the video is more than 10 minutes. Examples are popping in my head, so the video is getting too long, rather too lengthy. So I'll just end this video right now and continue with, start another video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next class. Until then, take care and happy learning.